Attention, WhatsApp users. One of the most exciting WhatsApp features is coming soon. You will soon be able to create a unique username for your account, so you won't have to share your phone number with new people. Before the feature officially launches, WhatsApp will let you reserve your username in advance, so no one else can take it. Here is how to reserve your username. Simply go to your profile. There, you will see a new option called Username. Tap on it, then tap the Create Username button to get started. Now, type the username you'd like to use for your WhatsApp account. Once you find an available username, tap Save to reserve it. After you save it, your username will be linked to your WhatsApp account, and no one else can take it. WhatsApp is also adding new privacy controls for usernames. You will be able to choose who can contact you using your username. You can allow everyone to message you, or you can choose people who have your username key. The username key works like a secret code that you can share only with people you trust, so you won't receive random messages from strangers. The best part is that you are not locked into one username forever. If you ever want a different username, you can change it at any time. If you no longer want to use a username, you can delete it and create a new one later. There's one more thing you should know. You can also access your username through the account settings. Just go to Account Settings and you will see the Username option there. This gives you another easy way to manage your username whenever you want. Whether you are creating a new username, changing it later, or deleting it, everything is just a few taps away.